Hi guys! So Elana sent me this package and I can wait to open it. So samahan niyo ako. Let's go!
You're gonna be popular.
Oh my God! Thank you so much, Elana. So, ang pinadala nilang PR package is merong Gentle Low pH Gel Cleanser. And also, they have a Calm Down, a HA plus BHA Acne Gel Spot. And also, they have Invent for Minimizing Dark Spots Skin Serum. This is perfect, guys. Super ganda. And ang ganda ng mga packaging nila. And next, they have a toner essence, oil control and brightening. Look at this one. So cute naman. They have Stay Fresh Moisturizer, Oil Control, and Brightening. Super nagtitrending yung kanilang moisturizer. At grabe, ang daming nagkakagulo ng tao dahil dito sa moisturizer na to. Ito yung kanilang moisturizer na wonder na pinagkakaguluhan talaga siya ng mga tao kasi napakaganda niya at perfect na perfect to sa mga oily skin na kagaya ko. So guys, stay tuned dahil sa 888 ay magkakaroon sila ng sale ng buy one, take one. So ano pang inaantay nyo? Save the date, just click my yellow basket.